Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get power of attorney in the UK. Now if you're not aware of what that is, it's a legal document that lets you appoint one or more people to help you make decisions or to make decisions on your behalf. This gives you more control over what happens to you if you have an accident or illness where you cannot make your own decisions. So you must be 18 years old or over and have mental capacity when you make your LPA. You do not need to live in the UK or be a British citizen. So how do we make a lasting power of attorney? The first step is to choose your attorney. So these are all the people that can actually be your attorney. It can be a relative, a friend, a professional, or it could be your husband, wife or partner. However, your attorney needs to be 18 years old or over. When choosing an attorney, think about how well they look after their own affairs, for example, their finances, how well you know them, if you trust them to make a decision in your best interests, and how happy they will be to make decisions for you. So you should take all them points into consideration and think about the people around you that you know. So try and find someone that's close to you that you can trust, and you also want to make sure that they will be happy to make decisions for you. So once you've chosen who your attorney or attorneys are, you want to fill in their forms to appoint them as an attorney. So you want to head on to this part on the website and scroll down until you see Make an LPA online. So you can click this button to create or sign in to an existing account so you can make an LPA or continue making an LPA that you've already started. So all you have to do from here is click Start Now, and you want to choose whether you have an LPA account or not. But I'm assuming most of you don't, so you just want to click on this Create My Account button. And from here you will actually have to just fill out this form to create an LPA account. So once you've done both of those things, you want to just register your LPA with the office or public guardian. However, this can take up to 20 weeks. And it costs £82 to register an LPA unless you get a reduction or an exemption. So you want to just click on this third option here, and we can just scroll down in order to actually register it. So to register, you will need to sign your completed LPA form and send it to the OPG. If you create your LPA form using the online services, you will need to print it out to do this. So you just want to send it to this address right here. And you can also send a certified copy if you do not have the original form. So that's exactly how you can get power of attorney in the United Kingdom. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.